Hello, my name is Hector Velazquez and welcome to another episode of GCSAA Inside the Shop. So today we're going to be talking about 2 p.m. That's right, preventative maintenance for our tools. All summer long they have taken care of us in the season and emergencies, putting out fires. And now that we're at the end of the seasons, things have wound down in the shop. Now we can focus a little bit of attention on showing our tools some love. And more specifically, here's a prime example, right? We have a pair of pliers and the nice soft grip rubber handle is about wearing out. Well, today we're going to be showing you a product to help you revitalize your tools and also add a little bit of grip to some who don't even have none. So let's get started. We have a lot to talk about. All right, I'm sure we all have hand tools that look like this. The insulation's off. Some of them just completely fell off like these. And I got some other hand tools with that just don't have that insulation, and they get a little slippery when your hands are greasy. So I'm gonna take this opportunity to put some on. And the product is Plasti-Dip. This stuff is awesome. I've used it in the past. It's relatively cheap for 20 bucks at any automotive store. And this is black, and it comes in other colors as well. Now be sure to pick up some acetone. We're gonna need that to clean our handles. All right, let me make some room here for my tray. I'm gonna pour some acetone into the tray here real quick. This should be just about enough. All right, now I'm gonna use a stainless steel brush. I'm gonna make sure that I prep my surface well and that it's clean, free of any oils or grease or debris. Just like any job, right? Prep is key. All right, this should be good. Now with these pliers, I'm gonna cut the rest of this plastic off using a razor blade. Should peel away pretty easy. All right, and then we're gonna clean, wipe it out. You wanna make sure your handles are good and dry. We don't have any residual acetone on them. All right. Now I need to kind of set up a makeshift hanging area, so I'm going to use my jack stands on either side of the bench, and then I'm going to hang a piece of flat stock on them, and we'll use this to hang our tool. I'm going to use some mechanics wire and kind of get them prepped up like this. Now we're ready to dip. All right, here we go. As you can see, this stuff is relatively thick. And I have black. They come in varieties of colors, like I said, yellow, red. Now, Plasti-Dip recommends that as you dip your tool, you want to go slow, about 1 inch every 5 seconds. And you want to bring it out in the same manner, 1 inch every 5 seconds. And this is to eliminate any air pockets within the product itself. A little patience, but you're going to have good results in the end. All right, check it out. We're ready to hang this plier. Sweet. We'll put this one right over here. This one here. This one here. And I think I'm gonna go for a round of golf and come back and check them on. One golf round later. And it looks absolutely amazing. Look at that, really nice. You can see the clean detail on the handle still. This is just one application. You're more than welcome to put a second application or third. You want to do it every 4 hours, but I'm gonna leave them like this. They look great. For 20 bucks, you've restored your tool and saved yourself a little bit of money. Finishing it off by lubing our moving points. And for about 20 bucks, we were able to restore the handle back on our tools. And they look great and they feel great. I want to thank you for joining us here today on GCSAA Inside the Shop, where we're helping technicians 1 wrench at a time.